His name was William Wallace. But this isn't the story you know. This is the story of the Grey Man of the Highlands, a shadowy figure whose actions would haunt an entire nation. In the late 14th century, Scotland was gripped by war. English forces occupied the land, oppressing its people. But among them, there was a phantom. A man whose true identity no one knew. He would strike when least expected, disappearing into the wilds before the English ever had a chance to retaliate. Legend tells of a thief, swift as a shadow, silent as the night, who would raid the English camps. He would steal weapons, food, even vital intelligence, before vanishing into the Highlands, as if he were never there. No one could catch him. No one knew his name, but his impact was felt across the land. Who was he? Some say he was a loyal Highlander fighting for freedom. Others say he was a ghost, a spirit of vengeance for the countless Scots who had fallen. His raids disrupted English plans, struck fear into their hearts, and gave hope to the oppressed Scots. But as quickly as he appeared, the Grey Man vanished. No one ever saw him again, and his legend lived on, as a symbol of defiance, of resistance against the might of England. Who was the Grey Man? Was he a warrior, a thief, or something more? His name has been lost to time, but the memory of his raids, his courage, and his legacy still echoes in the winds of the Scottish Highlands. And perhaps he still walks among the hills,